The folks at Uuni are rethinking the way we cook outside. Their wood-fired and multi-fueled ovens heat up super fast and can cook a pizza in seconds. We were instant fans of Uuni's deliciously fast pizzas when we launched their smaller wood-fired ovens years ago. It reaches 932 degrees in just 10 minutes and cooks crusty pizzas in under 2. Its sleek stainless steel body is lightweight and portable to move from the backyard to wherever you want to host a get-together. The foodies among us are excited about Uuni's newer and larger oven that also delivers super fast results. It heats up in 20 minutes and cooks a larger pizza in just 1 minute. This multi-fuel oven has a more substantial design that's suited for cooking a variety of high-temperature dishes, like casseroles, meats, roasted veggies, and even loaves of bread. From making easy pizzas to creating more involved spreads, we think anyone will appreciate how these ovens elevate even the simplest backyard meal.